Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Thanks for joining us in our culinary journey of 60 dishes from 20 different countries. Today I'm preparing chicken and cashew nut stir fry in Thai style using very simple and basic ingredients. Crispy chicken chunks coated with a lip-smacking sauce will definitely put a big smile on any chicken lover's face. We upload new recipes every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. To begin with, first I will soak the dry red chilies in lukewarm water. I am using the variety which is less spicy. If you are using the spicier chilies, you can de-seed them. Then I will take the chicken which I have cut in bite-sized cubes. I am using the boneless thigh pieces. To that I will season it with pepper powder, salt, and then for the crispiness I will be adding corn flour, and then I'll be mixing it. You can add few drops of oil to prevent the chicken from sticking with one another. Then I'll allow it to sit for half an hour. First, I'll blend the soaked red chilies. To that, I'll add a little amount of crushed garlic. And the base for our sauce is ready. Then I'll heat up a wok and add the cashew nuts and toast it. Once the cashew nuts are crispy, it is the time to take it and keep it aside. Then I'll add a good amount of oil into the wok, heat it, and then start frying the marinated chicken cubes. This will make the chicken cubes crispier from outside and juicy and succulent from inside. This itself is mouth-watering, but the sauce will take it to a whole new level. Then to the oil, I'll add the blended chilies and garlic paste and fry it for 2 minutes. Then in goes the whites of green onion, that is the bulbs, and chopped bell peppers. This I'll saute it for 2 minutes. Then for the seasoning, I'm using soya sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, check the description section for the substitute. I'll give it a mix. Then in goes the chicken pieces and I'll coat it thoroughly with the sauce. Then add the toasted cashew nuts and little amount of green onion and few red chilies for that extra spiciness. For sure, this dish is going to top your favorites in the chicken dishes. And it is ready for plating. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.